Hi fellas, my name is Troystyled. Today I'm going to say very plainly, a lot of men don't have a motivation problem, they have a structure problem. You're not tired because life gets hard for you. You're tired because your days are sloppy. You wake up reacting, not leading. You start the week with big talk, then by Wednesday you're winging it. Eating whatever, scrolling too much, missing the gym and pushing tasks to tomorrow and wondering why you don't feel like the man you can be. Here's the cost. When you don't build structure, you become dependent on mood. And mood is a terrible manager. Your mood will leave you disciplined when you feel inspired, then ghost you when real life kicks in. Structure is what separates the man who wants success from the man who commands it. Structure, guys, is not boring. It's freedom. It's how you stop negotiating with yourself. Most men were never taught to run their life like a system, so they run it basically on vibes. And the modern man loves that because a reactive man is easy to sell to, easy to distract, and easy to keep average. The truth is your life already has structure. It's just not the type of structure you choose. It's the structure of your bad habits, your weak boundaries, your overbooked calendar, your late nights, your I'll do it later, your inconsistent standards. So the goal isn't to become a robot. So the goal, I must emphasize, is to install a simple operating system that makes winning your default, especially on days you don't feel like it. Here are my solutions to this. Build 5 non-negotiables. Pick 5 daily actions that makes you sharper no matter what. 1 for your body, 1 for your money, 1 for your mission, and 1 for your mind. If you do those 5 religiously, I'll give you some examples. 30 minutes of training every day, 15 minutes of reading, and 10 minutes for planning and tracking your spending, and 1 very core meaningful outreach. If you do these 5 religiously, your day counts, and when everything else gets messy. And number 2, run your day in blocks. Hope is not a schedule, guys. Create 3 core blocks for your life. Your morning setup, your midday execution, and your evening shutdown. Morning is where you win the first battle. You wake up, your hygiene, your movement, your plan. Midday is for deep work. Your eyes value tasks get done, not your easiest, guys. And even is your cleanup, your gym, your rest, your prep for the next day, and you shut down the day on time. If your day doesn't have edges, it bleeds into chaos all the time. Another key one, set standards, then guard them like a man. Structure collapses when your boundaries are very emotional. Decide your standard way ahead of time. Bedtime window, your gym days, your spending limit, what you tolerate in your space, what you tolerate in your relationship. When something violates your standard, you don't debate it, you correct it instantly. That's leadership. A man with no standards is basically asking life to run him. And a Sunday setup for those that are really particular about Sunday. Win the week before it starts. Most men lose on Monday because they didn't prepare on Sunday. Every Sunday, review your week, lock in your workouts, plan your meals, identify your top 3 priorities. Structure isn't built daily first, guys. It's built weekly. Sunday is your board meeting with yourself. And one important piece, track as much as you can. You can't manage what you don't measure. Track the basics, guys. Your sleep, your workouts, your spending, your deep work hours, and 1 personal goal per week. Check boxes beat complex systems, guys. The point isn't perfection. The point is about honesty. A structured man can look at his week and say, here's why I'm winning, or here's why I'm sleeping. There's no story needed for this. Here's my final thought. Structure doesn't make you less of a man, it makes you dangerous in the best way possible. Because when you have structure, you stop being fragile, you stop needing perfect condition, you're able to recalibrate and pivot when life happens. You stop waiting for the right mood, you become consistent, and consistency is when people respect you, when your woman feels safe around you, what your employers reward, and what your future self will thank you for. So here's your move. Build your non-negotiable 5 and set 3 daily blocks for yourself. Keep it simple, run it for 7 days. Then come back and tell me what's changed in your life, your energy, your confidence, your results. And now, if you want more content like this, hit the subscribe button and drop a comment below. I'm installing structure in my life today. And it's a Troystyled. Grow, style, and refine always.